Hello, today I will talk about 8 incredible benefits of pear. 8. Supports heart health. The fiber, potassium, and antioxidants in pears contribute to cardiovascular health by helping to lower cholesterol levels, regulate blood pressure, and reduce the risk of heart disease. 7. Improves gut health. The fiber in pears supports the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, promoting a healthy gut microbiome, which is essential for digestion, immune function, and overall health. 6. Boosts immune system. High in vitamin C and antioxidants, pears strengthen the immune system, helping the body fight off infections and illnesses more effectively. 5. Good for skin. The vitamin C and antioxidants in pears contribute to healthy, glowing skin by promoting collagen production and protecting the skin from damage caused by free radicals. 4. Supports bone health. Pears contain vitamin K and copper, which are important for maintaining strong and healthy bones, reducing the risk of osteoporosis and fractures. 3. Improves circulation. Pears are rich in iron and copper, which are essential for the production of red blood cells and improving blood circulation, ensuring that oxygen and nutrients are efficiently delivered throughout the body. 2. Low in calories. Pears are low in calories but high in water and fiber, making them an excellent choice for those looking to manage their weight. 1. Supports eye health. Antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin in pears help protect eye health by filtering harmful blue light and reducing the risk of age-related macular degeneration. Thanks for watching. Dietitian and naturopath Neetu.